Nintendo is once again set to shake up the gaming industry, but not in the way many expect. Instead of focusing solely on hardware improvements or eye-catching specs, the company is reimagining how a console launch should unfold by centering it around a massive, transformative day-one software update. This shift signals not just a new device, but a fresh philosophy toward gaming ecosystems and player experience. A new chapter beyond hardware. While it's no secret that the upcoming Nintendo Switch successor promises better specs, enhanced visuals, and improved performance, what truly sets this launch apart is Nintendo's strategic pivot towards software. Unlike the typical console releases that emphasize raw power or flashy hardware features, this time the spotlight is on the software, upgrade that arrives simultaneously with the system itself. This isn't just a minor firmware tweak. It's a fundamental overhaul designed to redefine how gamers interact with their device from the very first moment. In an era where the quality of the user interface and ecosystem can make or break a console's success, Nintendo is betting big on this fresh approach. Breaking convention. No early access, no previews. Perhaps the most surprising aspect of this launch is Nintendo's deliberate choice to avoid the standard pre-release hype cycle. There will be no early reviews, no influencer exclusives, and no advanced media previews. This move flies in the face of industry norms, where companies often flood the internet with early impressions to build excitement and momentum. Instead, Nintendo is placing its confidence squarely on the experience players will have after applying the Day One update. This approach ensures that every user, from casual fans to tech reviewers, encounters the console at the same stage, a fully optimized, polished product that represents Nintendo's true vision. In a world dominated by viral moments and snap judgments, this level of control over the launch narrative is both bold and necessary. By synchronizing the release of hardware and the defining software package, Nintendo is crafting a launch experience that prioritizes consistency and quality. What to expect in the Day One software revolution? Though official details remain tightly guarded, various leaks and insider reports have painted a compelling picture of what this comprehensive software update will deliver. A modernized user interface, the existing menu system on the original Switch, while functional, has grown increasingly dated since its debut in 2017. The new interface promises a full redesign, bringing dynamic themes, personalized home screen layouts, and improved organizational tools such as folders for game libraries. These enhancements aim to make navigating the system faster, more intuitive, and visually appealing. The update will likely also speed up load times and feature smarter menu behavior that adapts to how individual players engage with their games, delivering a customized and seamless user experience. Revamped eShop experience, Nintendo's digital storefront has long been a source of frustration for users due to its slow performance and clunky design. The new software overhaul targets these pain points by introducing AI-powered game recommendations, enhanced search functionality, and a wishlist system that effectively tracks deals and alerts. Additionally, the eShop may gain editorial content, designed to surface hidden gems and indie titles, transforming it into a place gamers will enjoy exploring rather than avoid. Cutting-edge graphics. Optimization. One of the standout features reportedly incorporated through the software update is NVIDIA's deep learning supersampling (DLSS) technology. This advanced method enables the console to render games at a lower resolution and intelligently upscale them in real time, delivering visuals comparable to near 4K quality without requiring top-tier hardware. Fine-tuning DLSS from Day One will allow the Switch 2 to offer smoother frame rates and sharper images right out of the box, eliminating the lag or visual compromises common with new hardware launches. Learning from the past. Avoiding early launch pitfalls, Nintendo's software first. Launch model appears to be a direct response to the often messy, glitch-ridden debuts of past consoles across the industry. In today's hyper-connected world, A single bug or performance hiccup can spiral into a viral PR disaster. By withholding early reviews and ensuring that all users experience the device in its fully updated state, Nintendo minimizes the risk of negative early impressions spreading. This tactic not only protects the brand's reputation, but also fosters a more authentic and shared discovery process among the community, creating a unique launch culture, rather than the conventional rollout. Filled with polished preview videos and rehearsed influencer reactions, the Switch 2 launch is poised to be a communal unveiling. Players will install the Day 1 update simultaneously, explore the new interface, and share their genuine reactions in real time. This organic excitement can generate a powerful buzz and build a stronger connection between Nintendo and its fanbase, rooted in shared experiences rather than staged marketing campaigns. A shift toward an evolving platform. This major Day 1 update signals a broader shift in Nintendo's philosophy toward its hardware, from static consoles to evolving platforms. Similar to smartphones, the Switch 2 is designed to grow and improve over time with frequent, meaningful updates. This strategy reduces the pressure to release incremental hardware revisions like a Switch Pro. Instead, Nintendo can continually enhance the existing system via software, keeping the console fresh, relevant, and capable of supporting innovative game experiences, empowering developers and enhancing games. The update is expected to offer developers access to improved tools, streamlined APIs, and support for more advanced rendering techniques. This not only speeds up game development, but also enables creators to push the boundaries of what's possible on the hardware. For players, this means a richer, more diverse game library and faster access to high-quality titles. Backward compatibility and online improvements. Nintendo assures that the vast majority of existing Switch titles will run smoothly on the new system, with some games potentially receiving graphical or performance enhancements. This approach lowers the barrier for current owners considering the upgrade. Additionally, the update may introduce a revamped online system with smarter matchmaking, integrated voice chat, and more social features, areas where Nintendo has traditionally lagged, but which are essential in today's multiplayer landscape. What this means for the industry. Nintendo's unconventional launch strategy could set a new precedent in how consoles debut in the future. By prioritizing software polish, controlling the launch narrative, and fostering community-driven excitement, Nintendo is breaking from traditional marketing and hardware-first mindsets. For gamers, it promises a more refined, polished experience from day one and a platform that will continue to evolve alongside their needs. In summary, the upcoming Nintendo Switch 2 represents not just an upgrade in hardware, but a paradigm shift in the gaming world's approach to console launches. By putting a massive, transformative software update front and center, Nintendo is challenging conventional wisdom, offering a promise of quality, longevity, and continuous evolution. This fresh approach could well define the future of gaming hardware releases for years to come.